To make a salsa roja, you're going to need 800 grams of tomatoes, 4 chilies of your choice, half an onion, a small red pepper, and 4 garlic cloves. Remove the pith and stems of all your ingredients and place into a large saucepan of boiling water. In the meantime, place a garlic clove into a frying pan with some olive oil to infuse it with its flavours. Boil your ingredients for about 15 minutes or until the skins begin to blister. And quite simply place all of your ingredients into a blender. And blitz those babies up. Remove the garlic clove and then take your beautiful blended salsa roja, pouring it into the frying pan very carefully. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, the best salsa roja. This sauce is perfect with huevos rancheros for a great breakfast, so head on over to Travel Blog Jamie at YouTube to find out how to make that recipe.